guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabula ads or other like that things from your Nokia G22. So to start, if you see something like that, the spamming pop-ups or something like that in your notification bar, that means we have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by two ways: by system settings and antivirus app. So I'm going to show you the first method now. We have to open the settings, then go to the apps and choose CL apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself before, the app that you're not recognizing the name of it, choose the app like that and select the uninstall. Click on the OK, and in the second step go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Now just choose the storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Tap on the clear all data and click OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that wait is more for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm using Avast. So in this app, just click on the scan now, add a permission, and go back. Now choose the scan type. If you have a notification software, always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the unwanted software should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.